I think it's been a very exciting journey, and when we started our journey as a blockchain infrastructure provider, we actually started with Hyperledger Fabric and then moved on to Besu, and those were the primary blockchains present at that point in time, right? So I think most people were looking for private chains, So I think that's really where our journey started, and that's where we cut our teeth in the blockchain space and built up a good team and built up a great practice as well. Membership is great because I think we're part of an ecosystem. I think that's most important. So as even today, over the last 2 days, we've been able to meet a lot of members and network with them and exchange ideas and talk about use cases, how it could benefit different market segments and customer segments and so on. So I think membership has been great that way, and I think what we are really keen to see is how can we collaborate with a larger ecosystem out there. We do a lot of work in the public blockchain space as well, right? With the ZK stacks and the optimistic stacks and some non-EVM chains as well. So I think the future will be how do private chains and public chains come together to solve use cases. So for example, if you look at a bank, most banks are on a private chain, but in the future they would need to engage with the entire public at large, and therefore what kind of interoperability would work and how can you bring privacy into a public chain and so on. So I think these are very exciting times, right?